Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here to talk about an exciting new trend in the technological world revolutionizing industries with AI and machine learning. Everything from the healthcare industry to the banking industry is being impacted, and the change has been utterly remarkable. But before we dive into the impact this trend is having, let's quickly define what AI and machine learning are. AI is a computer system that uses algorithms to learn from its environment and create its own decisions for tasks. Machine learning is a subset of AI that uses data to create models and predict outcomes. AI and business today. Rather than serving as a replacement for human intelligence and ingenuity, artificial intelligence is generally seen as a supporting tool. Although AI currently has a difficult time completing common-sense tasks in the real world, it is adept at processing and analyzing troves of data much faster than a human brain could. Artificial intelligence software can then return with synthesized courses of action and present them to the human user. In this way, we can use AI to help game out possible consequences of each action and streamline the decision-making process. AI and machine learning in healthcare. Let's talk about how AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the healthcare industry. AI and machine learning apps are providing doctors and medical professionals with accurate diagnoses and powerful data insights that help cure diseases faster and treat patients more effectively. It's also becoming easier to transfer electronic medical records, so there's less paperwork and more accurate records of patients' information. AI and machine learning in banking. Next, let's discuss how these technologies are revolutionizing the banking industry. AI and machine learning are being used to analyze data and find better ways to combat fraud and financial crimes. They're revolutionizing customer service with virtual agents that address customer inquiries from basic account questions to more complex financial advice. Additionally, AI and machine learning are being used for marketing purposes, such as customer segmentation, customer engagement, and personalized offers. AI and machine learning in automotive. Finally, let's take a look at the automotive industry, where AI and machine learning are making vehicles smarter and safer. Automakers are using these technologies to make cars more efficient, with systems that measure fuel, air, and oil consumption. AI and machine learning algorithms are allowing vehicles to understand their environment by identifying objects, recognizing traffic signs, and anticipating obstacles. Internet and data research. Artificial intelligence uses a vast amount of data to identify patterns in people's search behaviors and provide them with more relevant information regarding their circumstances. As people use their devices more, and as the AI technology becomes even more advanced, users will have a more customizable experience. This means the world for your small businesses, because you will have an easier time targeting a very specific audience. To sum it up, AI and machine learning are revolutionizing industries across the board, leading to more efficient and effective processes, enhanced customer service, and even expanded safety features. We're already seeing the impact that these technologies are having, and they're sure to continue to shape the world we live in. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you liked it, and share it with your friends. For more informative videos on topics like this, check out the rest of our channel.